Hey guys, Alex here. Welcome back to my channel. Ayala has launched its newest technopark in the Philippines located in Habini Bay, Laguindingan. There are other technoparks that are still pre-selling are located in Cavite. So this one has lot costs ranging from 8,000 to 25,000 square meters at 8,000 per square. So this is a 166 hectare project. Phase 1 is PEZA accredited while Phase 2 is non-PEZA. It's equipped with satellite government offices such as Bureau of Customs and PEZA and is 8 kilometers from Cavite Highway Terminal. It is highly accessible through highways and expressways such as South Luzon Expressway, Manila-Cavite Expressway, Governor's Drive, and the ongoing Cavite-Laguna Expressway with target completion by 2023. And then another technopark by Ayala is Pampanga Technopark. So this is a 192 hectare project with lot costs ranging from 7,000 to 12,000 square meters at 8,000 per square, located in Mabalacat City. So one of the biggest transportation hubs in Luzon with major road networks like NLEX and SeaTex cutting across the region. The North-South Commuter Railway project by DPWH will soon connect the existing Tutuban station to Clark. It's strategically located near Clark International Airport and Subic Bay International Terminal. And then we have Laguindingan Technopark, which is part of the 526 hectare masterplanned estate of Ayala Land. This is their biggest project in Mindanao. Imagine 500 plus hectares. Laguindingan Technopark is registered with the Board of Investments that offers industrial lots intended for light and medium non-polluting industries. It is currently the most affordable technopark as of the moment at only 5,500 per square with average lot costs from 5,000 to 7,500 square meters. So here is a map of the technopark. So as you can see on the map, we already have a few sold lots, but most are still available. The ones in blue are already sold while the lots in white are still available. The development is a total of 105 hectares and it's beside the Laguindingan Airport. It's only 34 kilometers, about 48 minutes from CDO City, 63 kilometers or an hour and 21 minutes from Iligan City, and 129 kilometers or 3 hours from Malaybalay City. It is also near many support amenities such as hotels, hospitals, and malls. Here's a computation of one lot in Technopark. So the computation I'm showing you is of Block 1, Lot 1. Total gross area is 5,169 square meters. That's at 5,500 per square. Gross selling price is 28 million. Add VAT at 3 million. So gross selling price plus VAT is now at 31 million. So on the first month, reservation fee is at 1 million to hold the lot. And then on the second month, the buyer must give a 10% down payment. So 10% of 31 million is at 2.1 million. And then on the third month to the 37th month, you can then spread the balance, spread the remaining equity. So that will amount to 818,000 per month for 36 months. So it's spread for 36 months. And then on the 37th month, you will then pay a bulk amount of 1.8. So again, reservation fee is 1 million. On the second month, 10% down payment at 2.1 million. And then for 34 months, you can spread the balance. It's at 818,000. And then on the 35th month, you're required to pay a bulk amount of 1.8 million to finally fully pay for your lot. So which is gross at 31 million, VAT inclusive. Habini Bay is positioned as a new center of trade and commerce in Northern Mindanao, amid natural landscapes and inviting coastal views. Like we were there last month and the view of the beach is amazing. It is also strategically located and connected to the Laguindingan Airport and will offer a diverse mix of developments to create new lifestyle options and business opportunities. So aside from the Technopark, it will also have a residential and commercial component. The commercial component will be located along the beach, and it will offer a great view of the water. You can chill there and relax with your family. The entire estate is a joint venture project of Ayala Land Inc. and its parent company Ayala Corporation, which acquired the property back in the 1960s. And they eventually donated 183 hectares to form part of the airport. According to Junjun Bisnar, the Vice President and COO of Ali Visayas Mindanao Group, over the years, Ayala Land has been committed to enriching the way we live and to enhancing land nationwide. We focus on inclusive growth, sharing our expertise as a full-line property developer to communities around the country. We remain a committed partner in nation building and in improving the quality of life of our fellow Filipinos in the various regions where we invest. Ayala's presence in Mindanao, which was established about a decade ago through a Brisa estate in Davao and Alegria Hills in Cagayan de Oro. So in 2012, it opened Ayala Mall Centrio within the Centrio estate, also in Cagayan de Oro, which, like a Brisa, is a mixed-use development offering a variety of residential and commercial uses. Last year, the company launched Ayala Cove, a prime waterside estate located in Davao. And it's like the most high-end condominium currently in Davao today, which have penthouses at 100 million. So I also have another vlog dedicated just for Ayala Cove. Ayala Land aims to tap and grow new markets and create shared value for more Filipinos. It plans to bring to Misamis Oriental its experience and track record in building sustainable mixed-use estates. Among its 26 estates nationwide are landmark developments such as Makati Central Business District, BGC in Taguig, Novali in Laguna, and Cebu Business Park. So Ayala really has a strong track record for developing premium projects, which just appreciate over the years. Strong growth opportunities in the Visayas and Mindanao regions have led to the continued expansion of Ayala Land in Davao, Cagayan de Oro, Cebu, Iloilo, and Negros Oriental. Habini Bay's master plan will be anchored by an industrial park to be managed by Laguindingan Technopark, the country's foremost industrial estate developer. They have brought in the world's leading manufacturers of electronics, automotive, pharmaceuticals, and consumer products. Affordable residential developments will also be built in the estate together with mixed-use commercial lots. The municipal government of Laguindingan will also relocate and build a new municipal government center within the estate. Other projects include a provincial bus terminal, which will provide convenient access to and from neighboring towns and cities, and a technical school that supports the push for quality education in the region. A 30-meter wide road right-of-way and along the coastline of the property connecting to the airport will allow easy access to Habini Bay's industrial and mixed-use commercial sites, a seaport, and other transport facilities. Habini Bay will likewise have pedestrian and bike-friendly roads to encourage a healthy modern lifestyle in an integrated and sustainable estate that Northern Mindanaoans can proudly call their own. If you want to know more about this project, then make sure to reach out to me. My contact info is in the description box down below so we can set a meeting. And if you want to be updated on the latest projects and great deals in Cagayan de Oro, Davao, and surrounding regions, then send me an email so I can add you to my mailing list. I will see you in my next video.